extremely happy to welcome Mr. Madan Raj, Managing Director and Founder of SRM International Real Estate LLC, and Mr. Francis, CEO and Co-Founder of SRM International Real Estate LLC.